Hi everyone, welcome back to QBO Tips. I have been wanting to talk about this week's QBO tip for a while now, and well, I just haven't been able to mock up a demo to do it, and I've given up. So, here we go without a demo. Here's the situation. You have a business credit card, and you have multiple cards associated with that credit card account. When you go to link your credit card to QBO, it's prompting you to link each card to a separate account. But you only have one statement to reconcile to. So how do you allocate the payments that you've made to that card across all of those other cards? I mean, it'd be pretty easy if you pay off your card in full every month. There's a lot of businesses that do that. There's also a lot of businesses that don't. And even if you do pay off your card every month, that doesn't mean you're always going to do that. And if you switch, it may cause a problem with your process. So what do we do here? Well, it's actually not that hard. You can set up a main credit card account, and then you set up a sub-account for each one of your credit cards that you have. Then when you link the credit card to QBO, you can link each card to each sub-account to capture all of the activity. Then, when you're reconciling, you just reconcile the main credit card account. It'll bring in all the sub-account activity for you, and you reconcile it just like any other normal account. Your credit card statement is reconciled on the whole, like the document you have, instead of reconciling each card separately. And to be honest, reconciling each card separately would be a huge pain. You can score bonus points though if you close that credit card account, all the sub-accounts to that main account at the beginning of each year. Why? Well, because then you actually get a running total of the amount spent per card all year. And I admit that's probably what really excites me, but it may be really useful to have to know that, wow, Bob's spending a whole lot on his card this year, way more than last year. What's going on? But again, might only be me. The only card this wouldn't be true for is the main or primary card. This is because typically when you post a payment to the card, it flows on to that primary card, and that's going to cause a big old negative amount on your financial statements. This really isn't that big of a problem though because of a couple of things. First, the primary card is usually the owner, the main manager, whoever the big old head honcho there is, so we don't really care about that running list. And second, when you have your balance sheet presentation, you just roll those sub-accounts up into one card. It's going to have a cleaner looking financial. Your total amount for the credit card account is going to be okay, and it's going to get rid of that negative. So we're all good. I hope that helped you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.